High-speed rotary tools, such as die grinders, are indispensable in the world of engine porting, where precision and control are paramount. These tools operate at incredibly high RPMs, often ranging from 20,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for smooth, efficient material removal without the excessive vibration or chatter that can plague lower-speed alternatives. When paired with carbide burrs, which are cutting attachments made from ultra-hard tungsten carbide, they become a porting specialist's best friend. Carbide's exceptional durability and heat resistance mean it can withstand prolonged use on tough materials like cast iron or aluminum cylinder heads, maintaining sharpness far longer than steel alternatives. The magic lies in the control these tools provide. Die grinders are typically lightweight and ergonomic, fitting comfortably in the hand like an extension of the user's arm. This design enables precise maneuvering in tight, contoured spaces within intake and exhaust ports. Porting specialists can delicately sculpt the port walls, enlarging passages to improve airflow, while avoiding over-thinning that could lead to structural weaknesses or cracks. For instance, by varying the pressure applied and the angle of approach, users can fine-tune the port's shape, smoothing out rough castings, blending valve seats, or creating gradual transitions to reduce turbulence and enhance volumetric efficiency. The variable speed controls on many die grinders further amplify this precision, letting operators dial down RPMs for delicate finishing work or ramp them up for initial roughing. In skilled hands, this setup allows for micron-level adjustments, ensuring optimal port sizes that can boost horsepower and torque without compromising engine reliability. When it comes to carbide burrs, the choice between double-cut and single-cut designs significantly impacts the outcome. Double-cut burrs feature a cross-hatched pattern of flutes, essentially two sets of intersecting grooves that create smaller chips during cutting. This results in a smoother, more refined surface finish right out of the gate, reducing the need for extensive sanding or polishing afterward. They're ideal for final shaping and detailing, where a polished port wall minimizes air resistance and promotes better fuel atomization. On the other hand, single-cut burrs have a simpler, straight flute design that excels at aggressive material removal. These burrs produce larger chips and cut more quickly, making them perfect for the initial stages of porting when you need to hog out substantial amounts of metal efficiently. However, they can leave a rougher texture, so they're often followed by double-cut burrs or abrasives for cleanup. Whether you're a seasoned porting pro or just starting out, incorporating these tools into your workflow can transform your results. Order carbide burrs from our website today and get 10% off your purchase. Stock up now and elevate your porting game.